Konstantin, willkommen zu mein YouTube-film. The car is sufficiently packed with all of our mountaineering gear. Natiken in the Lenin. Das ist Markus. Markus ist ein Altfreund. Look how big this slide is. Oh, Scheiße! We gotta drive across the fighter jet runway. Good morning guys and welcome from Germany and herzlich willkommen, hearty, ein warm Willkommen aus Deutschland. Heute wir gehen zur Schweiz. Today we're going to Switzerland. So I have some extra bags and just a few extra things. Konstantin and I are bringing maybe 7 or 8 bags worth of stuff, all kinds of mountaineering gear. He just went downstairs, so I'll go join him. Let's go for an adventure to Schweiz. Ja, wir gehen. Alles gut, wir haben alle deinen Rucksack. Konstantin, willkommen zu mein YouTube-film. Meine Deutschübung ist mit Konstantin. Ich spreche sehr bisschen und kaputt Deutsch. Als Konstantin hilfe mich, so spreche flaunt Deutsch. So danke Konstantin.
Bitte Brayden.
Alright, we're gonna pack and then we'll go. Okay, we're all good. We picked up Markus. The car is sufficiently packed with all of our mountaineering gear. I sit in the back with the accordion. Und alles gut. Markus, ich mache YouTube-Film.
Nice, hey YouTube.
Natiken in the Lenin. Das ist
nice
Markus.
to meet you.
Markus
Hi,
ist ein Altfreund.
Ein Oldfreund? Because I'm 34?
Nein.
Old.
Ich bin 24. Markus ist 34. Und Konstantin ist 74.
The 20 years generation.
Ja, 70, ja. Nein. 44. All 10 years apart. So, we're going now to Schweizer, not Schweiz. As I kept saying, Schweiz is sweat. Wir gehen zum Schweizer.
Liegst in die dicke Fliege. Dicke Molly. Gibt's extra nur Produkte
Aus Österreich. Austria.
Flugzeuge, also vernünftige Flugzeuge.
Up there on the mountains is Liechtenstein. Ein very small, ein sehr klein Lande.
Aber die kommen ja nicht. Die haben sich geplant. Hat die nicht. Das Krasse war damals, da habe ich jetzt
Alright, we're stopping for just a minute, but I want to show you guys this sign real quick. It's just a very beautiful view, but there's a sign here. No doing that. I've never seen one actually for Scheiße. Scheiße is for the other thing. So we're at the base of Axalp mountain. As you can see, this is the view. It's extraordinarily beautiful here in Switzerland. But we're about 25 minutes away from the cottage. So now that we're at the base of the mountain, now we're going to start going all the way up. So it should be very beautiful. The sun is going down. This is sehr wunderschön. I'm just looking at this little park thing. Look how big this slide is. Massive, goes all the way down there. I figure why not actually. This looks scary. It is so big. I think there's dirt down here. Okay, begin. Oh, Scheiße. Oh. Come on. Oh. Wow. Sehr gut. That is what we're coming for. Way up at the top. The Axel. Okay, so now as we get close, we're gonna drive across the fighter jet runway to get all the way up to the mountain. Danke.
You have to say danke.
Danke. As they say in Schweizer. Okay, so now we're gonna climb up the mountain. Because it's a big event and there's lots of people here, we need a special permission in order to be able to go up to the cottage, because we're staying in a cottage way up next to the summit. So it's a blue piece of paper that proves we have permission to drive all the way up. So we're gonna climb up the mountain now, find the cottage, und alles gut. Wir gehen.
Danke.
Alles gut.
Bist du fertig?
Ja, fertig.
Ja.
Alles gut, alles gut. Wir sind hier.
Da sind wir. Sweet dude. Da sind wir wieder. Oh, die Musikanlage ist weg.
Hä? Oh nee. Hätte man das gewusst.
Ja, ich habe meine JBL dabei, habe ich gesagt. Ich wusste das nämlich.
Wo ist die?
Good idea.
yeah. Great minds think alike, Markus. And these are the sleeping quarters.
So,
Markus sleeps outside.
my place is here. So, and
It's actually like it's a ski lodge.
Soll ich Pause machen,
Ich lerne gestern die Accordion. Hey, gestern in 16 Minuten. Okay. Ich lerne die Accordion.
Das stimmt auch.
Weil Konstantin war jung, Konstantin spielt Akkordeon.
Oh, really?
Ja.
Kannst du was spielen? Spiel mal was.
Nein.
Ja.
Nein. Das Akkordeon hat mal mein Großvater gehört.
Okay.
Meine Mutter hat darauf schon gespielt und ich habe als kleines Kind schon drauf gespielt.
Okay, all is good. We're going to bed now. We have to get up early. It's about 12:30, maybe 1 a.m. now. We have to get up at 5 a.m. because we have to start climbing up the mountain before sunrise so we can get up there in time. So that's going to wrap it up for today. Tomorrow, like I said, we're going all the way to Axel for the air show, so it should be really fascinating. It's going to be a whole interesting video, so it'll be something completely different. So, okay, good night, guys.